Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Hustle channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use the secret website to generate Grok AI using Imagine for free. As you all know, Grok AI image generation model is no longer working, but this secret website will give you the access to Grok Imagine for free and other AI models that generate content for you. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload fresh content. So without any further ado, I want us to go straight to this tutorial now. So you open this site called Gemini Gen AI, then you just come here, navigate and click on sign up if you have not signed up already. Now you click on login if you are already signed up. So I'll just come here, go to studio, then click on Imagine, then you see click on Imagine. Okay, you can see the option Imagine, Google AI, you can see Meta, you can see Grok. So we're interested with Grok, and Grok, you see high quality image generation powered by Grok AI Grok model. So we're going to copy or paste our prompt here. So let me quickly copy my prompt. So the prompt details. This one is going to be a little bit long prompt. Now let's see what it's going to give us. I think that's all. Okay, let's use this. I think we're okay with that. So let's quickly go paste our prompt here. Image reference. So like if you have an image reference, you can add it there. Number of results, how many number of results you want. For this one's even amazing. So for now, let's leave it at 2, which is okay. Then orientation, how do you want it? Landscape, portrait. So I'll leave it at landscape. Then you can see the beauty of it. You say credit remaining. Okay, I think I'm logged out. So guys, you can see Imagine already. Just navigate to Grok, then paste our prompt, then you see the option to select image. I'm going to choose 2 results, and landscape, you can see the beauty of it. Credit remaining is still 40. Then it said this generation will cost you 0 credit and we're using Grok. So that is the beauty of it. So let's go. Click, we have set everything, just click on generate with Grok. Verify. So our video generation has started. So if you want to see this, you can go to history. So guys, you can see it has finished generating. So let's look at them. You can see it's generated for free. See the second option. I think I prefer this. So click on download. I need to be downloaded to our system. You can see 215.14 MB downloaded. So guys, this is how you can do it. You can do unlimited download for now. I don't know, maybe this will be changed later, but that is it for this video. If you know you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload fresh content. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.